Hello all you fishing fanatics. I have a special edition of the Anglers today. I'm taking 3 of the grandchildren, Jenna, Kinley, and Ethan, fishing today. They all got brand new Zebco 202 reels in their Easter baskets this year. They wanted chocolate Easter bunnies, but they're never too young to learn what's really important. So here we go. Let's go fishing. You ready to go fishing?
Yeah.
All right, what kind of fish are we going to catch?
Catfish.
Catfish?
No, Evie fish. Evie fish. Evie fish.
Some kind of fish.
Evie fish.
Okay, all right.
I'm scared. They don't even bite you. I don't want to take your dead fish. It's okay. It's so cold. And the water is cold.
All right, so just leave it there for a little while. Let me fix everybody else's.
And once you feel something heavy, Papa will help you. Sissy, Papa, I got you fish.
Yep.
That was just mosh.
What's it called?
Mosh. Mosh.
Now turn it. Turn it. Turn it. Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning it. Keep turning.
Oh, caught one.
Keep turning.
You caught one.
Keep going, Ethan. Pull him. Turn it.
That was wrong. He did kick. Ew! What is that?
It's a fish.
Yay! Can I go
Wait a minute, I can't find it.
It was actually Papa.
No, Ethan caught it, didn't you?
What kind of fish Papa
Here.
found it.
Get a picture of Ethan with this fish.
Hey, I want to catch one.
Are you getting it?
Here, get.
It's too
Okay,
small.
say hi.
I'm gonna go. Hi.
Reel him in. Get him. Look at that one.
Oh, I got a huge one. Ooh, that was great. It has a huge mouth.
He does. That's a big one, Kinley.
It's gross. Why are you touching it? He's gonna wash his hands, right?
Pook, get over there and touch it.
Yeah, I'm not touching that.
Turn around, ma'am. I'll get a picture. You want to hold him? Touch him.
No.
Did you get it, Mama?
Yep.
Come.
Yuck.
All right, he's going back. It's a big one.
I got one. Yay, for Sissy. Oh, it's the same one as yours.
I'm not taking pictures, I'm just recording.
No, I
Oh, well, just get a picture with it.
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Ew!
Get it?
Yeah, I want to touch it then. Guys, touch it. It's slimy.
We had a really good day fishing. The action was a little bit slow, but everybody did really well and they all caught a fish. I think these guys did really great. Jerry and Scott, it's a good thing they don't smoke cigars and drink bourbon or you guys would be in trouble. Well, until next time, for the Anglers, we'll catch you later.